What's up, guys? You guys know how much I love dbrand, and today I actually got a replacement skin for my 11-inch iPad Pro. So let's unbox it and install it. So that's the unboxing, that's the installation. It is fairly simple. You do want to make sure that you clean the back of your iPad or tablet before you try to install the skin. And then once you're done, use the same cloth to just kind of get rid of any bubbles and things like that. And the camera one, some people put it on, some people don't. I like to put it on just because it continues the skin, and I think it just looks better with it. But sometimes that's the hardest part to get on. I always start down by the camera first and then kind of work my way down. But I think it turned out great. I love how it looks. This is my favorite colorway. Again, another awesome skin by dbrand. Loved installing it, love how it looks. So thanks for tuning in. Please make sure you like, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.